subscribe to the channel, I do have a special recipe, as you can see from the preview, cranberry sauce. This recipe under 5 minutes and also under 5 ingredients added. For this recipe, we made orange juice and also orange zest, which you can also add. Totally optional. So before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be the first notified as soon as I upload a new video. This recipe is perfectly edited and also tasty and flavorful. Everyone is going to enjoy this recipe. Perfect for any special occasion, especially Thanksgiving. As you can see at the end of the video, I kind of like give you different scene of, as the video progress, how it looks, So I don't want to give you too much detail, but I want you to go ahead and check out the video. And also subscribe, please, and also leave a line down below. Let me know what you think about the video. And also do have a special recipe coming your way. CP, cranberry sauce. Let's check it out.